Okay, this video is going to show you how to create your own ad using the Ad Builder website or how to turn in your ad that you created using a PowerPoint slide. If you're not sure how to do that, if you'll see a separate video posted on Facebook that has the title of how to create your own ad using PowerPoint. So if you don't want to do PowerPoint, if you just want to do a simple ad, you can click right here where it just says full page color. Click next. And what you're going to do is you are just going to drag and drop your pictures right here. If you have a picture on your desktop or a picture on your computer of your child, you're going to click and enter that picture, enter your child's name, enter your little message, click next, and it will turn it in to me. You click submit. And that will send that to the yearbook. So again, just simple. If you want the yearbook really to create your own ad, you just enter your pictures and your name. You click classic full page color. This next one right here, if you want to send me your PowerPoint slide that you made via the other video, you would select this option. Yours won't ask you to delete. That's just mine from playing around with it. Select this option, click next. And then it gives you the option to add your PowerPoint slide. So remember, we saved it as a JPEG, which it means an image. You're going to click right here. You're going to go to where you saved that on your desktop. If you remember, I saved mine as dedication page. You're going to click on it, and there is your advertisement that you made on your PowerPoint slide. To turn that in, you click next. It saves it, make sure everything is correct, and submit. Once you click submit ad, it sends it to me, the yearbook coordinator, and I'm able to double check it just for any typos or anything. And I have the option to send it back to you, which if I do, I will contact you. And if it's ready to go, then I will place that in the yearbook. If you need any help or have any questions, please do not hesitate to call the school, call Miss Courtney, and she will get you to me and I will help you out. Thank you so much.